Hey guys, it's George Burton, and these are some of my models. So, this model, what do you think it is? Yes, it is an elephant. So, this elephant was made just by tin foil. It was made today. And there's a lot of details gone in it. And it was made by an artist called David, and his brother Michael was there as well. We were having a family party, and my nanny showed me that she had a swan that had been made by David 3 years ago. And I asked David, can you make me an elephant? And then he said, do you want any other animals? And I asked for a dog, a shark, cobra, and a swan. So, but that's all the time he had to make them. So, I'm just gonna, that's my elephant. This is my little dog. It's, a German Shepherd, I think. I think it's a German Shepherd, but it just doesn't have fluff. This is a shark, my cobra, and a swan. So, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching the video. Give comments, tell your friends, give views. So, bye. Bye, guys. Bye, I said. So bye.